What I wish I knew earlier, how to make a delicious Mediterranean chickpea salad in under 10 minutes. Today we're whipping up a Mediterranean chickpea salad that's as easy as it is tasty. Ready? Let's dive in. First, grab a large bowl and toss in 1 can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. Add in 1 diced cucumber, 1 cup of half cherry tomatoes, half a thinly sliced red onion, half a cup of sliced Kalamata olives, and half a cup of crumbled feta cheese. Looks colorful already, right? Now let's make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Simple, but oh so flavorful. Pour that tangy goodness over your chickpea mix and give it a good toss. Make sure everything's well coated. And that's it. Serve your Mediterranean chickpea salad chilled and enjoy the fresh, vibrant flavors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy, delicious recipes. Happy cooking!